welcome back. So far in this series on how to do retired, we've talked about housework, we've talked about having a daily plan for your retired day, we talked about redeeming your points, which meant not just cashing your points in to go do stuff, but it also meant sort of redeeming your experiences and your wisdom and knowledge by sharing those with other people. We talked about how retirement is kind of like a mixtape. There's a process in order for it to be successful and come out good. So in our fifth and final episode, some final thoughts on retirement. First, stay calm. Retirement's a big decision and it's a significant change in your daily routine. But if you give it a little thought, if you do a little bit of planning, it will help relieve the stress quite a bit. So stay calm. Number two, stay fit. No more excuses on I'm too busy to work out or I'm too busy to go to the gym. You got the time now. Keep your body in shape. That means you can go out and do all kinds of cool adventures and cool exploring around the planet if you stay physically fit. Number three, stay connected. It's pretty easy in retirement to kind of get into the hermit lifestyle, to go into post-zombie apocalypse sole survivor mode. Don't let that happen. You got the time to make that phone call, to go make that visit. Stay connected with the people you know. And hey, allow some opportunity to meet some new people. Number four, stay relevant. Now that doesn't mean go out and keep up with the latest tech. Stay relevant means keep finding ways to be impactful. Keep finding ways to make a difference. If staying fit takes care of your body in retirement, then staying relevant takes care of all the other things. Your mind, your heart, and your soul. Trust me, if you stay relevant, it will make retirement so much more enjoyable. And lastly, do stuff. I mean, do the stuff you need to do the stuff you want to do, and save some time to do the stuff that you don't even know about yet. Go out and explore. Be adventurous. I mean, here's my measure of success for retirement. If you are looking forward to tomorrow, then you're doing retirement right. If you're not looking forward to tomorrow, then you're doing it wrong. I've been retired just a little over 3 years now, and I look forward to each and every day. So I dare you, now scratch that, I triple dog dare you to do better. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this series as much as I've enjoyed making it. If you want to see what comes next, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I've always got something up my sleeve. Until next time,